workshop. I know it's a lot. To us, this is everything. A couple of quick things before we begin. If you have a flash, please make sure those are turned off. Also, please don't touch the chambers. For safety's sake, we don't want you to lose any fingers. And lastly, be here with us. Now, some introductions. Starting off on this side, we have Keiko and Tato. Coming around, we have Irina and Nicole. We have Bailey over there and Scotty over there. And you may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where Stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Good, yes? Not telling, all right, maybe a secret? Good, even the little ones, fantastic. We have two, and now we hear there is another. A new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Rey, yes. And if you didn't know, I would be so sad. What Rey is leading is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. An awakening in the Force. And that is why the Force has brought you here. Now, to build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some have called the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you. The future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. Now open your eyes. Take your Kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your Kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Well, now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated, which is very important. In the box in front of you, you'll find the parts we selected outside. And we will lead you through the process of putting them all together here in a moment. But first, let's talk about what's in the box. Looking at it from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Then columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are 2 matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, let's build.
Sounds we're going to have these 2 stations, let's do it together. We're going to start with testing, please hold it like this. It's going to be the top of your license. Okay? And we're going to place your crystal in the chamber right here. Top of the chamber, you can push up a little bit, and the little tiny hole, that's where the pointy top of the crystal is going to go. Adjust the pointy top in the little hole and push and slide around. Check double check. Word. Alright, so we're gonna move to section 5. Those are the set switches, so please pick a set. No mix and match. So once you know which one you want, you're gonna flip it, find the color. One's red, yellow and blue. Okay? Same color you can find over here on the chest on one side. So when you put it in, each red touch red like this, red touch red, and blue touch Alright, you're gonna move back to section 1 then. You see closely, please pick 2 from there. Any combination time, whatever you like. So one goes in the top, the other one goes in the bottom like this. Okay? Put it in copper color, turn, go towards this switch, and push and twist until you stop. Yeah, just one more for the other side. Yeah, so this is copper color you see that. Towards your switch and push and twist until you got it. Alright, so move to the emitter. Pick one from those 2 that's the top after the color gap. Just twist and screw. Yeah, one more. Get away.
You're going to take what's inside of each of their activation points. Regardless of the factors for the top half of your emitter or for the bottom of your
If it's good, you can move the emitter. One from those 2 that's going in the top after the color gap. Get down and go to the top. Get away. Yeah, just twist, twist, twist.
Sorry, that was my word.
Alright, do you like your bill?
That one normally
And
has
then this final success. Okay, so later on, when we activate, when he says activate, we're going to slide it to we're going to hold it together. Okay, congratulations. I have ring the bell, and we're going to find out everything. Thank you.
Move forward here, my young friend. The Bantha leather straps, I think, is our most effective grip. Of all the grips we have, it has kind of a texture, and those little, the way it's wrapped, it's these little excellent.
So later on, we can tell you to activate. When you say activate, when you switch it up, we can all activate together, okay?
He also was inspired by nature, and the style he created was named after a creature that is a hunter in nature, and it has a lot of tentacles, depending on its age, from 5 to 28. And when it attacks you, it just wails on you, and you have no idea where that's coming from. That's what he wanted the style to be like overwhelming force, quick, powerful strikes that end the conflict quickly, so that there's actually less damage. Beautiful work. Full Brylark. And I love this emitter. It's nice and chunky. Gives you a good kinetic feel when you're wielding, and it's almost a weapon of itself because it's so solid. What color is your crystal, my friend?
couple.
As Master Windu too. You should adventure together. Be careful on the chamber there, my friend. That's all right. We have extra hands. They never work as well as the originals. So, beautiful work.
Definitely. You're going to I usually recommend this. Yeah, but you have more instead of and also you can use this whole time.
The gold color on there is a special metal called electro. It was a sign of prestige among the Jedi, which is why Darth Sidious was sealed beautiful one.
Alright, this is my friend. So when Kenbei says activate, you're going to slide up on the activation switch. Kenbei says deactivate, we're going to slide back down. Excellent job.
And they represent journeys. So it's essentially traveling in the jungle, back down the jungle, but you find yourself on that path. Take a moment, my friends. Breathe. You have built the hilt of your lightsaber. Now's the dangerous part. Leave your saber at your station and back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the Gatherers is going to insert your hilt into the crystal stabilization chambers. We have to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. If something is misaligned, we could have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, also known as an explosion. So, I'm going to send a test. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
It's Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, not pulling, altogether we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your saber. Activate! Good.
Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy.
Remember, it only takes a spark.
Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda.
Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground.
So, in a moment we will release you all to receive your saber sheaths from Tado before you continue your journey into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy.
Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created.
And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate! To the spire!
To the spire!
Now, my friends, go forth. Receive your saber sheaths. Till we meet again in the spire's keeping.